Yeah, I thank you so much for the workshop. I'm so humbled. I've been having so many questions in reading, and most of them have been answered, and I'm so grateful. Yeah, I just thank you for the effort you've put in. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, RICA, for coming to help us and in the reading sessions. At least now we have got light. We have been struggling, gambling, but now we have got our personal books from RICA. We know that we are going to do the right thing. Welcome, RICA, and we thank you so much for putting us on light. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I didn't want this session to end, but it had to. My prayer is one day RICA to come back and we continue interacting with them to improve the reading as a lesson in our school. Our school is Entebbe Education Center Primary School. For your information, I got my RICA books, personal books.
Thank you very much, RICA. My name is Nakayenga Agnes. I teach reading in top class. I've really liked RICA, simplifying reading. It has really helped us. We are going to change. We have been gambling in reading, but now our children are going to enjoy. Reading is going to be fun, and every child is going to enjoy. RICA, Ju.
Thank you so much for this time. My name is Adekor Deborah. I do teach language. I really enjoyed the session. I've learned the approaches and how to teach reading, whereby I'll always make sure I will teach my learners following what we learned today. I'm really grateful.
My name is Aleko Jacqueline, and I'm a teacher at Entebbe Education Center. I teach middle class, I teach reading. And at this moment, I really want to thank RICA for coming to our school and for enabling us learn more about reading. This workshop has really made us learn more and improve on our skills. So I believe and I know that we are going to be able to make reading fun for the children as well. We want to thank Mr. Quarry. The session has been fun, and I don't think anyone was bored or sleeping. So we hope to see you again in future, and we hope to learn more and share. What really stood out for me was the way we were entertained by the breaks, the segments, how they should, and okay, the segments was there because segments I don't think was easy for many people. These long words, but we have learned something. But what stood out for me is the fun that comes in with the breaks. That really made it more fun for us. And I think the children will love that. So thank you.